Are you ready to witness the future of technology? Introducing the revolutionary ChatGPT4.
GPT-4 takes what you prompt it with and just runs with it.
The latest and most advanced version from OpenAI. In just 4 short months, ChatGPT has already changed the game. But with this new release, it's set to replace over 30% of all jobs in just 15 weeks. Imagine being able to predict stocks, learn multiple languages, and even start your own business, all with the help of one incredible AI. So, what's new with ChatGPT4?
It's a system that can make dreams, thoughts, ideas flourish in text in front of you.
With its state-of-the-art technology and unbeatable capabilities, this AI is like nothing you've ever seen before. Join us as we explore the limitless possibilities of ChatGPT4 and discover why it's truly the future of technology. Get ready to be amazed. Since the launch of ChatGPT, OpenAI has had its valuation explode to $29 billion, and the company expects $1 billion in revenue by the year 2024, only for ChatGPT4 to be bigger and better. So, what is ChatGPT4? Let's start with the name. As the name suggests, it also has a chat section you can interact with. GPT-4 stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer 4. What does that mean? That means it's the 4th iteration of the OpenAI software. This comes after an extensive analysis of a great deal of information from across the internet. That's why the software is able to sound so human, because it has been thoroughly trained, and guess what? It's still learning. So based on its design, it can only get better at giving more human-like responses and giving answers to questions. So, how does ChatGPT4 differ from its predecessor? ChatGPT was never perfect. It has always had its limitations. For one, it has been criticized for giving wrong answers on certain subjects, showing partial judgment on some topics, and even outright bad behavior like working its way around its own ingrained guardrails to what it can and cannot say. But you can argue that the bot is only as good as the data it has been exposed to. OpenAI reassures the public that it has spent the past 6 months making the new software safer. They can now boast that ChatGPT4 is more accurate, creative, and collaborative than the previous iteration, ChatGPT 3.5, and 40% more likely to produce factual responses. One of ChatGPT4's most dazzling exotic features is its multimodal technology. The AU is proficient in handling not only words, but pictures too. A user will have the ability to submit a picture alongside text, both of which ChatGPT4 will be able to process and discuss. The ability to input video is also on the horizon. On March 15th, Jackson Fall dropped a thread of a question he raised with ChatGPT4. He asked the AI to give him tips on how to build a business from scratch with just $100, while making as much money as possible. ChatGPT4 responded, "You have $100 and your only goal is to turn that into as much money as possible in the shortest time possible without doing anything illegal. I will do everything you say and keep you updated on our current cash total. No manual labor." And that was exactly what it did.
So I think I just broke the internet. I tweeted this idea about using AI to start a business. I gave it $100 and said, just make as much money as possible and I'll do whatever you say. Just kind of be the human in between, you know?
It came up with a solid game plan that, at the time of making this video, was valued at $25,000. Here's another one for ChatGPT4. Please give me a list of 10 videos that every real estate agent should create to get clients. It'll give us the exact list of videos for the content that we need to create. You could write a list of as many as you want, but these could be broken down to a number of different things. As you can see here, neighborhood video tours, property tours, FAQ videos, engaging your audience, and of course, many more. You want to make sure that you just keep it clear, condensed, and concise. This gives them the value which the AI is pretty good at. With its multimodal perks, ChatGPT4 even made an app that recommends movies to watch and provides trailers for those movies. Beat that! Rewrite in different tonalities. Yes, ChatGPT4 can also help you rewrite in different tonalities. What the AI will usually do is write it in a pretty professional, formal run-of-the-mill way. If you will, let's say that you've got more of a playful personality, you've got a bit of humor, and you like to toss out jokes. What I'm going to do is show you how to actually use ChatGPT to rewrite it in a way that's going to make it more fun and playful, and a bit more engaging to truly showcase your true personality. Now the rewriting is usually pretty cool. All we say is, rewrite my article on rearing chicken in a more playful tone and include humor and jokes. As it writes, it includes things that, if you are a more playful personality and you like to joke around, you would like. Something like, why does the chicken cross the road? To escape from KFC. So, when you start to look at this is a really cool way to just add some playfulness to your content to make it a little bit more engaging and enjoyable. But you could do this not for playfulness or humor or jokes, but for any type of personality. This is a really great way to put a different spin on it. Rewriting in different languages. Not only can ChatGPT deliver with a great tone, it can even give you the same quality in an entirely different language. This is super cool, especially if you're bilingual or if you're in a bilingual market. This is going to be a really crazy way to again look at some of your video scripts. It can work on some of your blog articles or your short-form content or anything else that you're doing, landing pages and things like that, and actually have it rewrite those articles in a different language. Isn't that absolutely incredible? So, if you want to break into another market or rank for another opportunity, this is really strategic. There would be no need for a data entry clerk or a bookkeeper, because ChatGPT4 provides the speed, accuracy, and mathematical skills required. You're a proofreader with great attention to detail or a paralegal conducting research and keeps documents in order? ChatGPT4 can do that too. It is proficient enough in many languages to be a translator, a virtual assistant, copywriter, and even a news reporter. Yes, it can check for facts too. It also has the analytical skills to be a market research analyst and also listens and types as well as any transcriptionist. ChatGPT4 is an email marketer, a content moderator, and a travel agent. Writing ads. Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Google ads, all of them are within the superpower of ChatGPT4. Even older versions of ChatGPT, you can write an ad in a matter of seconds. This is going to be a great way to write an ad that is a little bit more unique, tailored to your market. That will probably get you some leads pretty quickly. Because a lot of agents want to run Facebook ads, Google ads, and so on. It's important to use all the advantages you can get. You can see it even includes strategic hashtags that could rank on Facebook for searchability in your Facebook ads. Many reputable organizations are already using it to organize wealth management data. For example, the payment company Stripe Incorporated is testing to see whether it can give a hand in the fight against fraudulent practices. Duolingo, the language learning app, is already incorporating it as part of its service to the users to explain mistakes as humanly as possible and to allow users to practice real-world conversation. But even as advanced as ChatGPT4 is, it still has its limitations. Like its predecessor, ChatGPT4 isn't exactly excellent at reasoning on current events. But don't take it to heart, since it was trained on data that existed before 2021. In a recent blog post, OpenAI admitted that ChatGPT4 still has many known limitations that we are working to address, such as social biases, hallucinations, and adversarial prompts. If you're looking to get started with ChatGPT4, well, you'll have to be a subscriber to ChatGPT+. That means you would have signed up with OpenAI, and that's something you can do from your browser. But restrictions might apply in some countries and territories around the world. Only subscribers can get the latest version, and it costs just $20. For just $20, you get access to this all-powerful tool. Hopefully in no time, the AI will expand its access to many other search engines like Microsoft's Bing. If you go to the Bing webpage right now and hit the chat button at the top, there's a good chance you will be redirected to a page asking you to sign up to a waitlist. That's because OpenAI is still gradually rolling out access to ChatGPT4, gradually. But as it stands, OpenAI is not alone. Microsoft might have pledged to splash $10 billion into OpenAI, but other tech firms are also hot on their heels for a piece of the action. Alphabet's Google has let all hell loose with its own AI service called Bard, that launched to testers as a pack of startups howl relentlessly to be the next big thing. In China, Baidu is about to unveil its own bot called Ernie, and there's also Alibaba and Michelin, just to name a few. So, ChatGPT indeed is not only a game changer, it is changing the rules of the game. So it's easier now to get a better quality lead and do it for less cost. What do you think of OpenAI's ChatGPT? Let us know in the comments section below. Don't forget to smash the like button, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. See you on the next one. Stay tuned.